You, Edochie, tell me who they lose now. Who is at loss? You, hope you have seen it now. Because people don't dey talk say now you be the cause of all these things. Now you be the cause. Now wetin polygamy dey people wey their papa, their grandfather, their ancestors don dey into polygamy, they don come out now, come dey open polygamy nyash. Wetin polygamy no fit do? Wetin e no fit do? How two women go dey like this? They even if it is not juju, just obasitiers will haunt you. Because na this juju wey you go carry it still dey in husband house, wey dey no return in bride price wey dem pay. You go carry am before you even made it known to everybody. You dey chopure her for years, to the extent where you can't give am belle, you can't go marry her. Person wife. You can't date another man's wife under his nose. That man where you dey date him wife, you know the kind spirit where they full am. You know imaluchinya niaso. Imaluchinya niaso. Imaliye na akuli egwu na agba. See now, a 16-year-old son, just like that. Just like that. Added to this, you still cause her to leave her husband though. You still cause juju. I don't know. You marry her. Hey, una come dey flaunt una self on the social media happily, telling the whole world how and when you both started. The man they see everything for social media. The man they see everything for social media. My dear, the gods are angry. The gods are angry. Go and do cleansing. Go and do cleansing, oh, and let somebody's wife go. You see, Obasi is like is a man like any other. You don't want me to go because you don't want to lose her, but you are happy to take another man's wife. Hi. Oh, this is Obimu. Your family has been quiet and watching. You bounce back. This is just a warning. Withdraw. We are not praying for bad. We know they pray for bad things like this. See this news like this, it weaken me. As in, you need to reverse. I see this as a warning. I see this as a warning, as you are still keeping someone's wife. Go and write it down. Now, love who's the now me they talk. You see this thing now, warning. Now warning. Now one post I see and people comment section. Go and read comments. People were in family, all in family. Now polygamy, they marry more than one wife. They talk how then they lose their brother. They go lose this one this month, then go lose another one after 3 months, then go lose. They're going just they lose. See polygamy. See this life where we dey like this, in this world where we dey like this, polygamy no good. Polygamy no good. Where you go, the worst I don't even know what I go talk, because you see this matter like this. You see this matter. You where we say I love you. growing up to see somebody like you. I loved you, and I was one of his fan, true fan, that was admiring his family, his lovely family with Queen May. See as he take lose this son now, this innocent child. This innocent child now. Wetin this child do? Say he come for your family as your diokpala. As your diokpala. Ihe dị na ngada ekwere gị nọ. Ihe dị na ngada. See now you don't this make oh country people, I'm not happy. Iwe ni obi du mu so njo. If I dey feel for Queen May and I dey feel for you, yes, I dey feel for the two of them. I dey feel for two of them. I dey feel. Only mothers will understand wetin May go dey pass through by now. Only mothers go understand wetin May dey pass through. This matter never end oh. Matter wey we dey talk say make we see as we go take end the matter, make people no dey talk about you every time. Na him dey come dey bring another one. Na him dey come dey bring another one. Na him dey come dey bring another one. Hey, abeg, share this video. Iwu obi adi odi mma cha cha. Obi adi mma cha 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 cha. Adoro.
Record that first. Record this thing first. Put us on camera. I mean, leave me first. Sheep first. I mean, who opened door for him? Who opened door for him? Why you go open door for him? Why you go open door for him? You say you don't know. I mean, stand up. I know they can stand up. Record everything. Record everything. Which one you say stop recording?
Record that. No.
I beg they go. I don't want problem. I don't want problem. I dey tell you. I don't want issues. You want to apologize? You don't call me. You don't text me. You don't text me. I beg, leave me alone. Are you normal? Please. I will throw you out too. Everybody now. Before you know, they say, I see. I won't see. Everybody go see. Before people go say, I get issues.
No, they touch my phone.
They go out. They go out. Ngozi, let me bring her back. Let me bring her back. Bring her back. You see, if you see the slap where this guy give me, nobody is where they. I mean, no, they touch me. No, they touch me. If you injure, no be me. If you injure, you don't consign me. No, they touch me. As in they talk, no, they touch me. And they tell you, now your bag be that. Now your bag be that. Come carry your bag. Leave me, Joe. Leave me. This girl is Saturday.
I know how much you pay for pharmacy that day when they blow you.
Carry your bag. I know see.
No,